One of the good uses I've found for a multi-tool is putting in the back box into plasterboard. Got a bit of plasterboard here. As luck had it, I've got a back box to hand. You can either measure this or you can just draw around it. I'll do it to the side. Multi-tool on the line. Watch your eyes. And that is a good fit. Just one of the uses for a multi-tool. Continuing with the multi-tool, we remove this one, this blade, and we've got a thin 10-12mm just put that in there, nick her up. Now what you'll find with a thin blade is that when you look at that sideways, I don't know if you can see this, but it's vibrating side to side all over the place. See that? It's a lot wider than the blade, and that's because the blade is vibrating, oscillating up and down. Now the way to get around that is to turn this down halfway to the number 3. So what you've done is you've cut the speed, and you'll find now you're getting the width of the blade and not the oscillation that goes with such a thin blade. Just another little tip. Carrying on for the next tip. Remove this one. Now you can buy scraper blades, various sizes. But what you can actually do is, I've got an old blade here. Some might guess where I'm going with this, if I can get it in the slot. Wind that in there. Now it's an old blade. What we're going to do is turn it into a scraper. Now for this you can use, I've got it, an old metal cutting disc. If you haven't got that metal cutting disc to hand, you could always use the side of a sharpening stone, bit of emery cloth, or even a brick. And eventually them teeth will go, what's left of them anyway, and you'll end up, depending on how much you want to work it, you can end up with one of them or it's very similar, but it saves throwing your old blades away. Well, while I'm here, I'm feeling generous, and we got the plasterboard out as normal. So another little thing I'll do. What we're going to cut, what you normally do, length of plasterboard, normally cut it, obviously longer straight edge than this. As normal, snap the edge. Strike the back. And you're left with, and you always will be, unless you real deep on your knife, lumpy bits. Now you get rid of them. So get yourself a little surf arm like this. Just use that to clean up the edge. Another little tip for you.